In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks different colors. Color coding your tasks is a simple way to make your schedule easier to scan, prioritize what matters, and keep similar items grouped at a glance. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. This is where Google Tasks shows up on your schedule, so it's the perfect place to both create and color code them. Once Calendar is open, look for the Create button near the top left of the screen and click it. A small menu will appear with different options. Choose Task. This ensures you're making a task, not an event or reminder. Give your task a clear, specific name so you'll recognize it later. Think in terms of action like Send Project Update instead of something vague. After naming it, click the task to open the full Details panel. This is where you'll add timing, context, and, of course, the color. Select the date and time when you want the task to appear. If it's time-bound, pick an exact time. If it's more flexible, you can keep it as an all-day item. You can also add a deadline if there's a firm due date you don't want to miss. Using both a scheduled time and a deadline can help you separate when you plan to work on something from when it absolutely must be finished. Use the description field to add helpful details, what success looks like, links or docs you'll need, or quick notes to remind your future self. A good description saves you from hunting for context later. Now for the color. In the task details, click the color option next to your profile name. This opens a palette where you can choose the shade you want. Pick a color that matches your system, for example, blue for deep work, green for admin tasks, or red for urgent items. Aim for strong contrast so it's easy to see on your calendar. Consistency is key. Using the same colors for the same categories will make your calendar readable at a glance. When everything looks right, click Save. Your task will appear on your calendar with the color you chose. If you ever want to tweak it, just open the task again, change the color or details, and save. And if you don't immediately see the task, make sure the task calendar is visible on the left side of Google Calendar. That's it. Your Google tasks now stand out with clear, meaningful colors that help you stay organized and focused.